Alright guys, I was trying to install Google Camera on my phone Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, but suddenly an error came between the steps. So in order to solve that issue, that was waiting for devices issue, I have searched many websites and many videos, but can't find a solution for that. It can be solved without downloading any kind of softwares or something like that. So let's start this tutorial. Here is the solution for waiting for devices problem. After entering this code and pressing enter, you will see the main issue, that is the waiting for device error. You can solve this problem by opening Device Manager. You can open Device Manager by right-clicking on My Computer and you will see Manage option. You need to select Manage option. After that, Computer Management window will be opened. On that area, on the left side, you need to click on Device Manager. After clicking on Device Manager, you will see the missing ADB interface driver or Android driver. Once you see any type of missing driver regarding the Android or ADB interface, you need to right click on that driver and click on Update Driver. After clicking on Update Device Driver, you need to click on Browse My Computer for driver software. After that, select Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Then navigate to Android device and click on it. Here you will see many type of drivers. You need to select Android ADB interface. Any type of latest version will be preferred most. After selecting that, click on Next. If any type of dialog box appears, just simply click on Yes. As soon as you will click on Yes, the device driver will be updated and your process will be completed in your command prompt window. Check it, and after that you can also reboot your phone directly from there by typing Fastboot space reboot and then click on enter. That's it. You have solved your problem. If this helped you, then don't forget to subscribe.